Hi there, welcome to our channel. So for most people, dual monitors will be the way to go. Single monitor setups are good for layouts with a single purpose. Triple and quad monitor setups are great for anyone who needs extra screen space, and anything more than that is for monitoring a lot of information in real time or just for showing off. Well, today we are going to talk about a laptop prototype by UK-based Expanscape which has 7 screens built into chassis. This won't replace your multi-monitor setup, but could be something that is portable and easy to carry. Design-wise, it looks futuristic, something from Cyberpunk 2077. Now let me show you the display setup. There's the traditional clamshell style main display, then a second landscape screen that folds up above the primary screen, 2 portrait-oriented screens on either side, 2 small screens that pop up from these side screens, and finally a tiny display that's built into the right corner of the palm rest. They didn't skimp on display resolution either. Each of the large screens are 17.3-inch 4K 3840x2160 displays. The 3 smaller screens are 7-inch displays, each with a resolution of 1920x1200 pixels. So the question that comes to mind is, how much juice does it require? Well, they have packed the laptop with an 82 Wh battery and a separate 148 Wh pack for the displays. And can you guess the battery life? It's reportedly an hour or less. But the good news is that, despite this being a prototype, Expanscape claims that the Aurora 7's battery limit makes it flight legal according to the US law issued by the FAA, where you can take the laptop on flight. Now, what GPU is required for powering its 4 4K displays? It's none other than the mid-ranger NVIDIA GTX 1060. It also has an Intel Core i9-9900K processor, 64GB of RAM, 2.5TB of SSD storage, and 2TB of mechanical HDD storage. The Aurora 7 also sports 3 USB 3 ports, a Thunderbolt 3 port, HDMI, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 4.2. There's also a built-in subwoofer, a 2-megapixel webcam, and a 104-key backlit keyboard. This prototype weighs about 26 pounds and is 4.3 inches thick. Expanscape wants to use the NVIDIA RTX 2070 instead of GTX 1060 with options for the AMD Ryzen 9 3950X processor or Intel's i9-10900K in future revisions. So while this is a great multitasking portable machine for site researchers and other professionals, it most likely won't be a viable machine for most consumers out there. Although if you are interested, then UK companies making the A7 M3 prototype available for purchase under contract. Details can be found on the Expanscape website, which I have linked in the description below. So that's all for now. For more updates, do subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace out.